Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using an administrator account because Task Manager needs elevated rights. Sign in now. Once signed in, close Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher, and also disable overlays in Epic and Discord so they don't lock processes. Then temporarily disable antivirus and Windows Defender real-time protection so they don't block Task Manager. Make sure to note this change so you re-enable protection later. This sets a clean environment for the next, deeper fixes. You now run System File Checker to repair corrupt files. Open an elevated command prompt, type sfc/scano, and let it complete. This can fix permission-related components used by Task Manager. If SFC finds problems, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health because dism repairs the image that SFC needs. After each tool finishes, reboot. Make sure to check Task Manager again. Finally, inspect registry policies under the specified path. To remove any explicit Task Manager, deny rules before continuing. You finish by re-enabling antivirus and Windows Defender, then run a full scan to confirm no threats remain. Next, kill any lingering Fortnite or Epic processes with Taskill or reinstall the Epic Games launcher if processes keep blocking Task Manager. If Task Manager still reports access denied, create a fresh administrator user and test there. This isolates profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode. If Task Manager works in safe mode, a third-party app is the culprit, so perform a clean boot to identify it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.